If you're using the Move to iOS app and it's been stuck on 1 minute remaining for what feels like forever, don't panic. I've been there, and it can be really frustrating. The good news is, there are a few things you can try before starting the whole transfer again. First, make sure both phones are close to each other. Keep them connected to power if possible. Also, don't switch apps or use either phone while the transfer is running. Now, here's the fix that usually helps. On your Android phone, turn off mobile data. Then disconnect from any VPN you're using. You should also disable battery saving mode. These features can sometimes interfere with the connection between the two phones. Next, check your Wi-Fi. The Android phone needs to stay connected to the temporary Wi-Fi network created by the iPhone. If Android keeps switching back to your normal Wi-Fi, the transfer can get stuck. If it's still frozen at 1 minute, restart both phones. Then open Move to iOS again and start the transfer from the beginning. Here's another important tip. Don't select everything at once if you have a huge amount of data. Large videos, photos, and messages can take a long time. Try transferring the most important data first. And if you have thousands of photos or videos, consider moving those separately using cloud storage or another transfer method. One more thing. Make sure the iPhone has enough free storage for everything you're trying to move. So, if Move to iOS is stuck on 1 minute, don't immediately assume your phones are broken. Turn off mobile data, disable VPN and battery saver, keep both phones close and restart the transfer if needed.